Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell laptop only charges when you hold the cable at a certain angle, you are likely facing a faulty charging port. This issue can arise due to wear and tear, or damage caused by frequent bending of the charging cable. If left untreated, it can lead to further complications, including total failure to charge. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement charging port, and some thermal paste. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully opening the device. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this can damage the casing. Once opened, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It is usually situated near the battery connection and is identifiable by its shape and the soldering points. To remove the old charging port, unscrew any screws securing it in place with your Phillips screwdriver. Next, gently disconnect any cables attached to the port. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old port is out, place the new charging port in position. Secure it with the screws you previously removed and reconnect any cables. When everything is in place, it's a good idea to apply a small amount of thermal paste to ensure heat dissipation. Now, carefully replace the back cover of your laptop, aligning it properly before pressing it down to snap it back into place. Finally, plug in your charger and power on the device to check if it charges properly at all angles. If everything is working correctly, you've successfully replaced your charging port. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to avoid bending the charging cable excessively and always unplug it by grasping the plug, not the cable itself. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.